Ready to ditch the chaos and transform your lead follow-up into a streamlined machine. Let's unlock the power of the Kvcore Dialer in just 90 seconds, so you can make calls directly from the platform. First, log into your Kvcore account and locate the dialer icon on the left-hand navigation menu. It looks like a telephone. Click on it to access the dialer interface. Now, let's choose your dialing mode. The power dialer automatically calls leads from a selected list. The single-line dialer lets you review each lead before calling, and the manual dialer. That's for dialing numbers you manually enter. For our example, let's select the single-line dialer. Next, select a smart list, a hashtag, or filter through your contacts to find leads you want to contact. Click the phone icon next to the lead's name. This will initiate the call directly through Kvcore. While you're on the call, you have several options at your fingertips. You can mute yourself, place the call on hold, transfer the call to another agent, or even add another caller to the conversation. The most crucial part comes after the call disposition. Select the appropriate outcome from the drop-down menu, like contacted, left voicemail, or wrong number. This helps you track your progress and prioritize follow-ups. Add detailed notes about the conversation in the notes section for future reference. Kvcore automatically tracks all your call activity, providing valuable insights into your calling patterns and lead engagement. Head to the reporting dashboard to analyze your call statistics and identify areas for improvement. And that's it. You've now mastered the Kvcore Dialer, streamlining your lead communication, tracking your interactions, and boosting your follow-up efficiency. Happy dialing, and get ready to close more deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.